What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Antonisha J, and today I will be doing my first review on some hair. It is a wig, a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, body wave. I got it in 24 inches and it is from ISEE hair. This is the package it came in. It came through DHL Express. I thought it would have been coming through FedEx, but with this company, if y'all gonna do this, make sure you're home, because they're not going to drop it off for you. I saw online somewhere else that you can leave a note saying where to put it and put your signature, and they will just take that. No, that don't work. I thought it was gonna be FedEx, and it was just a misunderstanding. But yeah, with this company, if you're gonna do that, make sure you're home. This is what's in the box. Well, the bag is just protecting. And this is what the box looks like. It's really cute. Got the little marble looks and whatnot. And this is what the back looks like. Okay. Now this is I'm not gonna say it's my first time opening this, but I had to open it when I first got it just to make sure I got the right stuff. But I haven't opened anything. I just looked at it and made sure the measurements and the density and the texture, everything was right. But this is what you get when you open it. You have the wig, the little, what you call it, to just show how you're supposed to treat the hair. Got this on it. It's just the inside, just for instructions and whatnot. And it also got, if you give them a 5-star, you get these for free. I just feel like this kind of, bribing, but whatever. Also, I got these lashes. I probably won't be wearing these. These are a bit much, but these are the lashes. And this is what the bottom of the box is. So yeah, it says, to be honest, you are the most beautiful princess. Thank you for supporting ISEE Princess. Each wig is carefully checked and chosen in hopes that it will bring you beauty and happiness. Hope you enjoy your day with ISEE Princess. I really thought it was ISEE Beauty. Okay. Your beauty and smile is all we want. It could mean so much to me if you would share the wig on social media. Tag us, please, at ISEE Beauty on Instagram. Share your beauty with us. And then it just got that little Instagram logo right here. So yeah, that's everything that was in the box. Okay, now for this hair. This is what it came in. You can see the little hair net that's on it. It doesn't smell at all. It doesn't smell, you know how like sometimes you get bundles and you just like, ooh, this smell is strong. Yeah, no, not with this, actually. And this came really well plucked. I'm definitely gonna have to bleach this, but this came really well plucked. Oh shoot. Look at this hairline. Can y'all see this? This is what the inside looks like. And like I said, I had got 250 with the density, so I'm not exactly sure how 250 is supposed to look, but I'm glad it don't look thin. Let me see what these ends are looking like. Let me show y'all. Okay, I'm not getting any shedding just yet, nothing yet. Okay, I just got one string. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but yeah. I just got one. That's pass number 2. I'm getting a little caught in it. Okay, oh, I dropped it, but that was strand number 2, pass number 3. It's a little tough to get through it. What's this, strand number 4? No, strand number 3 past number 4. Technically, these are 2 strands. Okay. It's definitely, I don't want to say it's tangly, but I feel like, you know, it's just caught up from it being in that perfect wave. I watched reviews after I ordered it. It wasn't really smart. But quite a few people said that they were getting shedding, and I hope I don't have this problem. If I do, at least I got 250 with the density, so if it starts shedding, you know, at least I won't be, you know, just straight thin like that. I paid $196, I think, for the hair. I got it during the little 11/11 little Black Friday thing that they do. But yeah, I thought that was really good for 250 density, 24 inches, and the 13/6. Like, it stops way back here. With, you know, the frontal, like, this is really good for the price. Like, I feel like, I'm pretty sure I won't have to do any plucking, that's for sure. Like, I wish I could, let me see it, that would help. You know, like, y'all see this hairline though? I can genuinely say I don't think it needs any plucking. Definitely bleaching the knots though, definitely. But the knots are really small. See, like, the knots aren't huge. They aren't bleached. If they are, they aren't bleached a lot. But they're definitely small, so it's well done with that. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to come right back. I was combing through it, and I was starting to get a little bit more hair. I hope y'all can see this. I was using this kind of comb. I would call this a wide tooth comb, yeah? This whole strand just fell right on out. It literally like came out of the actual wig. It's not like it like broke off of some hair. Like, no, this genuinely came completely off the cap of the wig. It's starting to shed just a little bit too much. I was okay with it at first because I was like, you know what, all hair sheds, my hair sheds, so of course a wig is going to shed. But I wasn't expecting for it to come out of the root like this. Like, you can legit see how it came out of the root. Alright, y'all, it is a new day. I had bleached the hair, and then I had to wash and let it air dry. I didn't blow dry it. Then I had to go to work. So I am back. This is what it looks like. I didn't bleach it as long as I should have, but this is what it is looking like now. I had a 40 developer, so I didn't want to overdo it. Okay, so this is the leave-in conditioner that I had put in the wig. I got it from just your local beauty supply store. It was $2.29, so it was like $2-3. I put that on there after I finished doing my little process. I shampooed it. I used a neutralizing shampoo first for the lace. Then I shampooed it with the moisturizing shampoo and conditioned it. Let it sit for a little bit. Washed it out. Then I put the leave-in conditioner on, and then I let it air dry. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna glue it down or not. I really don't want to. Yeah, really don't want to. I'm just trying to see if I pull it down, will it just stay low enough to where I don't have to. Okay, now I think I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation or powder in here because it's not really matching my skin, so. Okay, so I don't think it's holding a curl that very well. I know I didn't put that much heat on the ends, but it still shouldn't be like going back straight. You know, for the most part, like up here, you know, it's the loose curls that I've created, but the further down you go, not so much. Where the frontal is, it's still holding a curl. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just glue it down. I really wasn't trying to, but I may have to. Okay, it just did it again with like a little chunk, and it just goes like. The hair is really good, it's just shedding. Like, I don't know if it is normal for a wig to shed this much. I'm not even sure if this is a lot to y'all. But the little chunks that I was getting that you can tell it came like out of the weft, out of the track. I don't think that's supposed to happen. I understand shedding. I get that, but those little chunks, I don't know about that. And it's not really holding that much heat. Like at the end, it's pretty much straight. I know I didn't put that much heat on it, but I feel like it still should have stayed. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm gonna try to recurl it again and we're gonna see. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get post notifications when I post something. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.